Hello everyone, this is me Aisha, and as we saw in September intake, we face a number of concerns that raised for all of us regarding the interviews, refusals, and how we should tackle them. So, for all of these, to make a clarity on it, we have specially Visrimsha with us, a compliance officer at Connect-EDG. As we saw in September 2025 intake, the raise in number of interviews calls and like UKVI and universities are now calling more to their students for interviews. So what do you think, like why this is happening, why the students are calling for the interviews more?
This is just because to check the credibility and the genuineness of the students. As Miss Aisha, as an agent, you also observed that in previous years, the number of asylum seekers in UK and the number of students who are not just completing their education, this concern has been raised. And this is not just a negative point for us, but also for the UK universities. So to check the credibility and the genuineness of a student, either the student is even capable to come to the UK to survive in their community, is he a capable person, or is he have enough communication to survive in their society basically. That is why they are just conducting the interviews from the students, so they can have one-on-one discussion with them to check their intentions and their future plans regarding this. So this is why the number of interview are increasing nowadays.
But still, like if we are guiding students, like they are gonna have interview calls, and even we are preparing the students, still they are getting some refusals, they are getting denied from the universities or the UKVI side. So what do you think, like why it's happening?
I really appreciate this question. That actually many of the agents and the students nowadays really know that there will be an interview, might be at university stage or at the UKVI stage, and they are even preparing for the interview as well. But we are observing a number of refusals, and why this is happening? Because they are misinterpreting the idea of the interview basically. What is happening here, the student is misconcepting here that an interview is a kind of test. Interview is a kind of, you can say, a communication or a conversation the university is conducting, just to check to know that a student have the communication skills to clearly communicate their ideas or clearly communicate the reasons that why they have chosen the UK and why they have chosen the universities. And all the students might have the separate reasons for choosing their courses, might be have their separate future plans. But what is happening nowadays, the agent and students it themselves preparing just like an exams, you can say. They are just memorizing the scripts, they are just overloading their minds with a lot of reasons, and those reasons which are not relating to themselves. So as far as they are going to prepare themselves in a scripted way, that they have to memorize the answer and they have to just simply read it or simply speak it in front of a other person or a camera, they are not gonna either pass the interview. So they must understand it, that they should show their confidence, they should show their communication skills in an interview, and they have to prepare it regarding this. That is how I think we are going to reduce the number of refusals.
So as you mentioned, like the interview call is not just kind of test, but also the way of communication, also the credibility assessment and the way how the student is capable to convey their messages. How your team is gonna contribute it?
At Connect-EDG, what I and my team as a compliance officer are doing, we are taking a few steps regarding the students' preparation. And if I just tell you one by one what we are offering and what we are getting on the table, first of all, we can say regarding as a student, from the student part, we are having one-on-one sessions with each of our students, where we are assessing the students' profile separately, getting to know about their gaps, about their educational background, about their visa refusals if they are having, and we are just telling them how they can justify those gaps and the visa refusal, and preparing them, each of them, regarding specifically according to their profile, not just answer for all of them, you can say. And then after having one-on-one sessions with them, after guiding them throughout that how they can answer, we are also conducting the mock interview with them on the basis of same real based scenarios. Either if it is a live one, we are giving them the live based interview based scenarios, and if it is a recorded one, we are preparing them according to that, so student can be more confident on it, and we are providing them just like the personalized feedback on which areas they need to work on, how they can overcome the answers and how they overcome their communication skills as well. We are also engaging the agent from our part as well. As you know, we are working on a B2B process, and we are just conducting the series of webinar where we are just educate them regarding the university's interview, and not the only the interview, that how they can assess the profile according to the BCA and the white paper changes as well. And we are also just trying to educate each of our agent and each of our students regarding the interview process of UKVI and the students as well, and what and how they can actually improve not only their question answer skills but also their communication skills, also their you can say confidence boosting. Also we can working on their profile, and we are making their minds even that how they can improve further after going to UK. And I think that is why we are maintaining our record, that we are not having any visa refusals in September 2025 intake, where this was the challenge for a lot of other agents, but not at Connected HE. We haven't faced this.
That's really amazing.